Hey guys, Mark from Lexin Moto here. Today we're going to go over installing and setting up the LEXIN G16. Let's get started. And here's what comes in the box. Main unit, user manual, mounting bracket, 3M mounting bracket, installation clips for mounting bracket, Type-C charging cable, speaker system, boom and button microphones. We've prepped this helmet by removing the ear pads, pulling back the liner, and installing the Velcro for the speakers and the microphone prior to this. First, we'll install the mounting bracket. Be sure to remove the mounting clip prior to fully inserting the bracket inside the helmet. This mount is versatile and sturdy. To attach the unit, slide over the mount until you can hear a click. Next, we're going to install the speakers and microphone. First, we'll start by installing the left speaker. Make sure that the cord is angled towards the back of the helmet. At this time, we'll determine the location for the microphone and install it. This helmet has reliefs cut out for the speakers and a channel for the microphone, which makes it very easy for setup. Next, we'll plug the harness into the back of the unit and we'll tuck the wires down in between the outer and inner shells to ensure they don't get pinched during reinstallation of the cheek pads. Once that's complete, we'll install the right side speaker and ensure that the wires are tucked behind the liner. And now we've completed the audio installation. Be sure to securely fasten the liner and the cheek pads back into the helmet. Now we're going to go over some basic functions. To power the G16 on and off, press and hold the power and the intercom button for about 3 seconds.
Power on. Battery 100%.
And to power off,
Power off.
to pair the G16 to your cell phone, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds.
Pairing. Battery 100%. Device connected.
And now the device is connected. To control the volume, simply press up on the arrow for up and down to lower the volume. Track selection is also featured here. Track forwards is a double click of the up arrow. Track back is double click of the down arrow. While listening to music, to pause your track, simply press the power button once. And to resume your music, press it again. To activate the headlamp, it's now done with a single button on the rear of the unit. To turn it off, simply press it again. To activate the Lexin SOS system, press and hold the utility headlamp button. And to remove this, simply press the button again. Now we're going to go into pairing 2 units together for intercom. This unit's already on. We're going to turn the second unit on.
Power on. Battery 100%.
Once both units are on, we're going to press and hold the intercom button.
Pairing. Pairing.
Once both units are flashing blue and red, a single click on either unit's intercom button,
Searching.
and once complete,
Pairing successful.
the units will let you know, and the lights will return to a slow blue blink. And to activate the two-way intercom, simply single press the intercom button on either unit and begin talking. And to end the conversation, either unit can press the intercom button again. Now we're going to go over music sharing. Music sharing is one device sharing its music with another device. So if one rider is playing music through a cell phone, it can stream it to the other device. Begin playing music on the first unit, and then double-click the power button to activate music sharing mode. Then, on the second unit, double-click the power button, wait for the lights to start blinking blue and red, and once the music starts playing, the pairing is complete. And to stop music sharing, simply double-click the power button on either unit. Thanks for checking out this video. You guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or need tech support, you can reach us online at info@lexinmotorcycle.com. Be sure to follow us for more videos like this.